moment the 2026 Caterpillar Motorhome rolls into view, the front end hits you with pure industrial confidence. This isn't just a motorhome, it looks engineered to dominate highways. The headlights are sharp and muscular, stacked with precision LED elements that feel more like heavy-duty machinery than soft luxury lighting. They cut through darkness with authority, flanking a bold, wide grille that proudly carries that Caterpillar toughness. The grille isn't decorative like many luxury motorhomes. It feels functional, purposeful and powerful, wrapped in deeply sculpted surfaces that give the nose real depth. The side mirrors are massive yet cleanly shaped, designed for visibility and control, not just style. Down below, the wheels and tires look ready to crush continents, with a wide stance that plants this motorhome firmly on the road. Compared to other luxury motorhomes that try to look elegant, this front feels advanced, premium, and aggressively confident, like it was built to last decades, not just impress for a season. As you move toward the rear, the Caterpillar continues to separate itself. The taillights are tall, modern and unmistakably bold, glowing with a sharp signature that looks futuristic yet rugged. The rear structure feels solid and squared off, maximizing space instead of wasting it on flashy curves. Storage compartments are huge, perfectly integrated, and finished with heavy-duty latches that feel industrial grade. The paint quality and panel fit are exceptional, with a finish that looks thicker and tougher than most competitors. While other motorhomes focus on looking fancy, this one balances style with real-world practicality, giving you more usable space, better access, and a rear design that actually works for long journeys. On the road, the 2026 Caterpillar Motorhome feels shockingly composed for its size. The ride is smooth and controlled, soaking up rough pavement better than many so-called luxury rivals. Power delivery is effortless, with torque coming in strong and steady, never strained. Steering feels confident and predictable, making lane changes and tight turns far less stressful than in many bulky motorhomes. At highway speeds, it's calm, planted, and reassuring, where other motorhomes can feel floaty or nervous. This one inspires confidence, making long drives feel easier and less tiring. Look up, and the upper section and roof design tell another story of smart engineering. The height is commanding without being excessive, and the aerodynamic shaping reduces wind noise and drag. Rooftop features are neatly integrated, from climate systems to solar-ready panels, all protected within a strong, reinforced structure. Compared to rivals with cluttered roofs, this design feels clean, efficient, and built to endure harsh conditions. Step inside, and the vibe shifts to full VIP luxury. The cabin feels massive, open, and intelligently laid out. Seating is plush and supportive, wrapped in premium materials that feel durable yet refined. Ambient lighting creates a warm, modern atmosphere, while large screens and smart controls bring cutting-edge technology right to your fingertips. Every surface feels solid, every touch point well thought out. Other motorhomes suddenly feel dated, cramped, and overcomplicated. Underneath it all, Caterpillar engineering shines. The engine delivers relentless strength, impressive efficiency for its size, and the ability to cruise for endless miles without fatigue. Compared to competitors, this motorhome offers superior value, smarter engineering, and a next-level ownership experience that feels more like owning a piece of industrial excellence than just another luxury RV.